Hey creator, it's your team Novel, and we're giving you 30 days of bite-sized tutorials packed with insider insight so you can learn how to use Shopify to host your content, monetize, and engage your audience like a pro. Today we're going to add your first blog post. All right, let's get into it. Go to Online Store, where your blog exists, and select Blog Post. Once the blog is loaded, click Create Blog Post. Let's give the blog a title. Since we're focused on helping you monetize your content, let's name it How to Monetize Your Blog. We can then add some content using the help of AI and click the Shopify magic button. Copy and paste your title into What's This Blog About and select a tone for the post. For this, we'll use supportive. Review it to make sure it sounds good, and if it does, keep it. Now that the content of your blog has been populated, let's go over some of the formatting features. You can highlight any text and make it a paragraph, heading, or blog quote, bold, italicize, or underline it. Change the text and the background color. Update the text positioning and make it left, center, or right aligned. Add a link, insert an image or video, create bulleted lists, numbered lists, outdent and indent the text, and insert a table. And for those of you that are HTML savvy, you can open up the HTML editor and make edits. All right, now that we've added some content and gone over the formatting options, let's dive a little deeper into the features. You can choose when the post will be published and set a visibility date, or you can hide it. Add a featured image, which will show up as the main photo on your blog post and wherever a blog card appears on your website. You can add an excerpt, which will show us the description of your blog post within the blog or wherever a blog post card appears. Change the author. By default, the user who's logged in and editing the blog post is the default author. However, if you have other collaborators or staff members, you can reassign the blog post to any of them. Update the blog that the blog post is assigned to. By default, Shopify ships with the blog news. However, you can create a new blog or rename the news blog. There's no limit to the number of blogs you can create, and they're a great way to categorize your blog posts. Add tags to make it easier for people to find your content, and if the theme you're using has multiple layouts for your blog post, templates is where you would select your preferred layout. In this case, there are none, so we're all set. All right, let's cover the SEO of your blog post. The cool part of Shopify is that the SEO is auto-generated from the title of your post and the content. Your meta title is your blog post title, while your meta description is a snippet of your content. However, you can change both as needed. While you're unable to change the full handle, which includes the blog name and the directory blogs, you can change the blog post handle. This is intentional, and it also helps keep your URL semantic. Search engines know that this is a blog by the URL structure and content. All right, we got through all the settings, and we're now ready to save the post and preview it. Go ahead and click Save, and then Preview. You can now see your blog post live on your website. Well, that's a wrap. We hope you learned some things, and if you got questions, drop them in the comments. Until tomorrow, be novel.